bounded by the parabola. Page number 302. Find the area bounded by the parabola. Bounded by the parabola y equal to x square. Bounded by the parabola y equal to x square. The x-axis and the lines x equal to -1, x equal to 2, and the lines x equal to -1, x equal to 2. Area of the curve, the area bounded by the parabola y equal to x square, the x-axis and the lines x equal to -1, x equal to 2. First of all, y equal to x square parabola x-axis and y-axis. Okay, y equal to x square parabola form, upward direction. X-axis x equal to -1 and x equal to 2. X equal to 2. X equal to -1. This area. Okay, x equal to -1 and another line x equal to 2. Therefore, the required area, equal to integral -1 to 2 f of x dx, -1 to 2 x square dx, -1 to 2 x square dx, that is x cube by 3 -1 to 2, that is 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 9 by 3. 3 square units. 3 square units. Find the area of the parabola y equal to x square. The x-axis and line x equal to -1, x equal to 2. That is y equal to x square graph. Upward direction with respect to y-axis. Symmetric on y-axis. It's got x equal to -1 line. Another line x equal to 2. -1 to 0, 0 to 2 area. Therefore, -1 to 2. Whether a to c plus c to b, that was a to b. Integral a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of x dx. That is -1 to 2 f of x dx. -1 to 2 y equal to x square. Y equal to f of x square. Integral of x square x cube by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit 8 by 3 minus plus 1 by 3 9 by 1, that is 3. Next, there is an important problem number 4. Find the area cut off between the line. Find the area cut off between line y equal to 0, cut off between the line y equal to 0 and the parabola y equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, and the parabola y equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. It cuts x-axis because y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Now, point of intersection of graph with respect to x-axis. Point of intersection of graph with respect to x-axis. We can find out put y equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x plus 3. That implies x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. That implies x minus 3x comma x minus 1. One is x equal to 1, another is x equal to 3. Now the graph is x-axis, y-axis. Parabola x equal to 1 and 3. Now we can find out say integral 1 to 3 y dx. That means f of x dx. Area equal to integral 1 to 3 y dx. That is integral 1 to 3 f of x. F of x means dx. Integral of x square. Exponent formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X square by 2. 3x. 1 2 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. 9. 3 square 9 into 80. 9. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 plus 3. 18 cancel. 1 by 3 plus 1. 4 by 3. Of course, modulus. Here positive or negative, that is 4 by 3. That is 4 by 3. Find the area cut off between the line y equal to 0. The line y equal to 0 is between x-axis and the curve y equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Y equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. That is here x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, y equal to x square form. Downward direction. Here vertex is x minus 2 whole square minus 1. Y plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. 2 comma minus 1. That is here vertex. 2 comma minus 1. Okay. Therefore, integral 1 to 3, integral 1 to 3 y dx. This is y or f of x curve. Required area. For this, first of all, point of intersection of x-axis and given curve. First of all, find out the point of intersection of x-axis and given curve. Point of intersection of x-axis y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. That is x minus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x equal to 1, x equal to 3. Therefore, area equal to integral 1 to 3 y dx. Integral 1 to 3 x square minus 4x plus 3 dx. Integral 1 to 3 x square is x cube by 3 x square by 2 3x upper limit minus lower limit we get 1 by 4 by 3 square units. Square units. That is area of parabola under the y equal to 0. 5. Page number 303. Problem 5. Find the area bounded by the curves y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x. Find the area bounded by the y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x between any two consecutive points of intersection. Between any two points of intersection of any two consecutive points of intersection. Any two consecutive points of intersection. Area of the region bounded by the curves. Find the area bounded by the curves. Bounded by the curves y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x. Bounded by the curves y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x between any two consecutive intersection points. Intersection points. Two consecutive points of intersection points. y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x curves between two conjugate intersection points. First of all, graph of the curve sin x and cos x. Okay. X axis, y axis. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. First of all, cos x graph. Cos 0, 1. Cos pi by 0. Cos pi minus 1. Cos 0 by 2. Cos 2 pi 1. That is cos x graph. Next sin x, sin 0, 0. Sin pi by 2, 1. Sin pi 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Sin 2 by 0. Sin 2 by 0. Okay, point of intersection of first two conjugative points of intersection. First two conjugative. This is sin x graph. Cos x sin x. Point of intersection. This one. Pi by 4. Next point of intersection. This one. Pi plus pi by 4. Pi by 4. Now, this area. Okay, points of intersection. First two consecutive points of intersection is first two points of intersections. That is, first point of intersection of y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x is this one is pi by 4. And then second point of intersection is pi by 4 plus pi plus pi by 4, pi by 4. Okay, area between pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Area between 5 by 4 and 5 plus 5 by 4. Okay. Area, required area equal to 5 by 4 to 5 by 4. Upper term minus lower term. Here upper term is sin x, f of x minus lower term g of x dx. 5 by 4 to 5 pi by 4. First point of intersection 5 by 4. Second point of intersection 5 pi by 4. Upper term minus lower term. Integral sin x minus cos x. Integral cos x sin x. 5 by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Integral sin x minus cos x. Cos x minus upper limit minus lower limit. Minus cos 5 pi by 4 minus sin 5 pi by 4 minus into minus plus cos 5 by 4 plus sin 5 by 4. Cos 5 by 4 plus sin 5 by 4. Cos 5 by 4, y plus 5 by 4 minus cos 5 by 4, that is 1 by root 2. 5 by 4, y plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by root 2. Minus into minus plus 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by root 2. 2 square units. That is area of the curve bounded by two curves sin x and cos x between any two consecutive points of intersection. Any two. First, any two, no. Not any two. First consecutive points of intersection. First consecutive 2 points of intersection. First consecutive 2 points of intersection. That is 5 by 4 to next 5 pi by 4. This area. Now we know the graph of cos x. First 1, 0, 1, pi by 2, 0, cos x graph. Second sin x graph. First point, 2 points of intersections are pi by 4. Second one is 5 pi by 4. Now, let by area equal to pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Upper term minus lower term. Sin x minus cos x dx. Integral sin x minus cos x. Cos x sin x. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 by 2. That is problem number 5. Y equals sin x, y equal to cos x. Next, similarly, find the area enclosed by the terms y equal to 3x, y equal to 6x minus x square. Two curves. Ninth problem. As number 305. Ninth area enclosed by the curves y equal to 3x. Find the area enclosed by the curves y equal to 3x and y equal to 6x minus x square. Y equal to 3x and y equal to 6x minus x square. First one is y equal to mx line, which is passing through origin. Second one is y equal to 6x minus x square. That means parabola. Downward direction. Okay, parabola, downward direction. Area enclosed by the terms y equal to 3x and y equal to 6x minus x square. Xx squares. Y equal to 6x minus x square. That is downward direction parabola. This. Next, y equal to 3x line passing through origin. Y equal to 3x, y equal to 6x minus x square. This part, area enclosed by the two curves, this part area. Now point of intersection. This one 0. Now we find out this one. For this, first of all, find out the point of intersection of given two curves. First curve y equal to 3x, second curve 6x minus x square. Points of intersection of two curves. Y equal to 3x, one, second one 6x minus x square. That implies x square minus 3x equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0, comma 3. X equal to 0, this one 3. 0, comma 3. That means area equal to the two curves. Therefore, area equal to integral 0 to 3 f of x minus integral 0 to 3 f of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x. Area equal to integral 0 to 3 f of x minus g of x. Integral 0 to 3 x square minus 3x dx. That is x square means x cube by 3. 3x square 2. 3x square by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit 3 cube by 3. 9. 27 by 2. Minus 0. That is modulus. 18 minus 27. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 square units. That is area enclosed by the curves y equal to 3x and y equal to 6x minus x square. Y equal to 3x is y equal to mx form, which is passing through origin, straight line. Next, y equal to 6x minus x square. That is the graph of parabola form, which is downward direction with respect to y-axis, because y equal to 6x minus x square. X square quotient negative, therefore downward direction. If x square quotient is positive, it is upward direction. XY coefficient negative, downward direction. It needs origin because substitute 0, 0 satisfied. Therefore, it needs one point of intersection origin. Now we will find out another point of intersection. For this, we can equate in two curves: y equal to f of x, y equal to g of x. Okay. 3x equal to 6x minus x squared. That is x squared minus 3x equal to 0. X equal to 0 one part, 3 second part. Therefore 0 to 3 area. In between 0 to 3. Therefore integral 0 to 3 upper term minus lower term. Anyhow, more or less 3x minus 6x minus x squared are lower term minus upper term. Anyhow, x squared minus 3x. X cube by 3x squared by 2. Lower upper limit minus lower limit modulus. Therefore 9 by 2 square units. Find the area enclosed between y equal to x square minus 5x. Find the area enclosed between nth terms. That is about 306. Find the area enclosed between y equal to x square minus 5x, y equal to x square minus 5x, and y equal to second one, y equal to x square minus 5x, y equal to 4 minus 2x, y equal to 4 minus 2x, y equal to x square minus 5x. First graph, x square quotient positive, therefore downward direction. X square quotient positive. X axis and y axis, therefore downward direction. Next, y equal to 4 minus 2x. This line. Now, point of intersection this one and this one. We can find out this one and this one. Now, we can find the area between y equal to 4 minus 2x, y equal to x square minus 5x. First of all, we can find out the points of intersection of given two curves. Y equal to x square minus 5x, y equal to 4 minus 2x. For this, we can equate in y terms. We can equate in given two y terms. That is f of x equal to g of x. That is x square minus 5x equal to 4 minus 2x. That implies x square minus 3x minus 4. We can factorize in between x minus 3 4 times x minus 4 x plus 1. That is x equal to minus 1 4. This part minus 1. This part 4. X value minus 1 comma 4. Okay. Now we can find out in between minus 1 to 4 upper term minus lower term, lower term minus upper term. Minus 1 to 4 upper term minus lower term minus upper term modulus. Area equal to integral minus 1 to 4 minus 2x minus x square minus 5x modulus f of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x. That is minus x squared plus 3x plus 4 dx. That is minus x cubed by 3 plus 3x squared by 2 plus 4x lower limit to upper limit plus 4 lower limit minus 1 plus 4 16 4 24 plus 16 minus 1 by 3 by 2 minus 4 30 40 minus 4 40 minus 4, 36. Minus 64 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Minus 65 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Now 125 by 6. 125 by 6. That is area in between y equal to 4 minus 2x, another term y equal to x square minus 5x. X square minus 5x. First of all, we can find out the points of intersection of given two curves. Y equal to x square minus 5x, y equal to 4 minus 2. Equating given by terms. Therefore, we get x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. That is x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. Second point x equal to 4. Therefore, required area integral minus 1 to 4. Upper term minus lower term, that is more or less minus x square plus 3x plus 4. That is minus x cube by 3 x square by 2 plus 4x. Upper limit minus lower limit. We get 125 by 6 square units. That is problem number 10. Similarly, problem number 11. Find the area bounded by two curves y equal to x square and y equal to root x. Find the area enclosed between y equal to x square and y equal to root x. First of all, we can find out the point of intersection of these two curves. That is y equal to x square equal to root x. X power 4 equal to x. X power 4 minus x equal to 0. That is x comma x cube minus 1 equal to 0. That is x equal to 0 comma 1. X equal to 0 comma 1. Now required area. First of all, graph y equal to x square. Parabola upward direction. Y equal to x square equals y square equal to x. That is downward direction. This point is 1. This one 0. Now we required area in between 0 to 1. This part. Area integral 0 to 1. Upper curve minus lower curve. dx. Root x integral x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. X cube by 3. 0 to 1. 1 over 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 0. That is 1 by 3 square units. 1 by 3 square units. That is area bounded by y equal to x square and y equal to root x. First of all, we can find out point 0 comma 1. Integral 0 to 1 upper term minus lower term. That is 11th. Next, 12th. Find the area bounded by the between two curves. Find the area bounded by between two curves. Between two curves. Y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4b by a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4b by. Find the area bounded by between two curves. Y square equal to 4ax, x square equal to 4b by. First of all, we can find out the point of intersection of two curves. Point of intersection of two curves. Here y square equal to 4ax. Here y equal to x square by 4b. And equating x power 4 by 16b square equal to 4ax. That implies x equal to 0 one part. X equal to 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. If x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3, we get 4 4 16. 4 a power 2 by 3, a power 1 b power 1 by 2. Okay, therefore points of intersection of two curves, one curve y square x square equal to 4by, second curve y square equal to 4ax. This point 0 comma 0, this point 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3, 4a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 2. Now this area, okay, one point x equal to 0, other point x equal to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. Therefore required area integral 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 f of x minus g of x, f of x square root of 4ax minus g of x, x square by 4b dx, f of x minus g of x. First curve y square equal to 4ax, that means y equal to square root of 4ax. Second curve y equal to x square by 4b, f of x and g of x. Therefore modulus f of x minus g of x of dx. Lower limit 0 to upper limit 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3, integral 0 to a, integral a to b or integral 0 to a, f of x minus g of x. That is x equal to 0 one part, x equal to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. Because equating two curves we get x square by 4 equal to 5. Therefore x square by 4 whole square equal to 4ax. One part x equal to 0, other one x equal to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. Therefore required area equal to integral x1 x2, x1 to x2. That means integral a to b modulus f of x minus g of x dx. That is integral 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 modulus f of x minus g of x dx. Okay, so 2 root a x power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 x cube by 3 3 into 4 12b 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 4 by 3 root a upper limit 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 power 3 by 2 4 cube 64 a b power square by 12b minus 0 minus 0 4 by 3 4 power 3 by 2 4 power 1. Okay, 4 by 3 root a 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 power 3 by 2 4 power 3 by 2, that is 4 root 4 8 8 goes 32 by 3 a power 1 by 2 a power 1 by 2 a b power 2 by 3 power b. Similarly 64 ab by 12 16 ab by 3, that is 16 ab by 3 square units. Okay, upper limit 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3, lower limit 0, upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore 32 ab by 3 minus 16 ab by 3, that is 16 ab by 3 square units. Integral 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 2. Integral 0 to this one, f of x minus g of x, f of x minus g of x. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit, we get 16 ab by 3, that is component number 12. Next, exercise 70. Exercise 70, first one. First one, find the area of the region enclosed by the curves y equal to cos x, y equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. Y equal to cos x, y equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. First of all, point the intersection of these curves. Cos x equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. Cos 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay? Therefore, x equal to 0, 1 point. Cos pi by 2, 0. 2 by pi into pi by 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, x equal to pi by 2. Okay? Therefore, area integral 0 to pi by 2 modulus f of x minus g of x. That is sin x minus x plus x square by pi. 0 to pi by 2. Integral cos x sin x minus 1 minus x plus x square by 2 x square by pi. Upper limit minus 12 sin pi by 2 1 minus pi by 2 pi square by 4, that is by pi cancel pi by 4 0 0 1 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4, 1 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Okay, 1 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4, minus pi by 4. First of all, given that y equal to cos x, y equal to 1 minus 2x by pi, that means y equal to cos x graph, x axis and y axis 0 pi 2 pi 1 minus 1. Okay, pi by 2 3 pi by 2. This one. Next, y equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. Y equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. That means 2x by pi plus y equal to 1. That is x by pi by 2 plus y by 1 equal to 1. Y equal to 1, x by pi by 2. X is the pi by 2. That is this part, this area. Okay. What's love this? This area plus this area, same area. This part. Therefore, required area 2 into modulus f of x minus g of x. That is 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. That is 2 minus pi by 2. 2 minus pi by 2 from the graph. First of all, y equal to cos x graph. Next one, y equal to 1 minus 2x by pi. This one. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Of course, 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 modulus f of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x. That is cos x minus 1 minus 2x by pi. That is 2 into sin x minus x plus x square by pi. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 2 into 1 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4. 2 into 1 minus pi by 4. That is 2 minus pi by 2. Next, third one, y equal to x cube plus 3. Y equal to x cube plus 3. Y equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. X equal to 2. X equal to 2. Given the curve y equal to x cube plus 3. Another curve y equal to 0. That means x axis. X axis in the line is x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. That is required area integral minus 1 to 2 f of x into dx. That is x power 4 by 4 3x upper limit minus lower limit. 6 1 by 4 minus 3 10 plus 3 13 minus 4 x cube plus 3 x equal minus 1 to 2. Okay, 10 plus 3 13 minus 1 by 4 51 by 4. That is y equal to x cube plus 3, y equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. Okay. Graph y equal to x cube plus 3, 0, y equal to x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Next 1 plus 3 4. Next 2 cube plus 3 8 plus 3 11. Next minus 1 plus 3 2. Minus 2 minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Therefore, this is y equal to x cube plus 3. Next, x equal to minus 1, this part. X equal to 2, this part. Here it will be minus 1 to 2 f of x. F of x means x cube plus 3. That is third one. Next, fourth one. Y equal to e power x, y equal to x, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to e power x, y equal to x,